Hello, welcome back. This is Shirsho with you, and this is the second tutorial of the puzzle maze game on Scratch. So let's begin. Last day I showed how to code some this cat and the sprite one. You have won the game. So in this tutorial I'm going to show how to make lives of this cat. First, what we have to do is make a variable for all sprites. Remember, not for the sprite only. For all sprites we have to make this variable. Okay, now enter variable name. We are going to put lives lives. So we have created lives variable. Now, so first over here we are going to put another block named set lives to 5. We have set our life to 5 and flag is clicked. Okay, it's working. Now if the cat touches this thing, the life should decrease by 5. Okay, so now what we are going to do is just make this life negation. So I'm going to upload a backdrop, one sprite. For this sprite, you'll get this in the description of my video. You can download it from there for free. So now go to costumes. It's taking a bit of time to load. Oh, sorry. Convert to vector. Convert to button. It's not loading. So we're going to use of these. Oh, it's not happening. So yeah, it's coming here. Now deleting these white portions. Okay, now let's use the eraser. Wait, it's okay now. So let's first convert it to vector. Decrease its size and okay, a bit more. Now copy this, paint another sprite, paste, double paste it, and both of them should be parallel to each other. Center it and copy this, paint, paste, copy, paste. So now it has become 3. Okay, again center these. Now copy these two, copy, and oh sorry, not upload the costume, we'll just paint it, paste, double paste. So now it's 4. Okay, now copy, select these 4, copy them, go to paint, paste, copy, paste. Okay, so it's done. Now we will put these over here. Okay, now go to code. So first go to events, When flag is clicked, motion, go to X 213, Y 31, and looks, switch costume to costume 4 and show. So it's coming like costume 4. Now what we need to do is that every time this thing touches the black color, the cat touches the black color, it should decrease by 1. That means change its costume. So we'll go to cat. If touching color black, then go to X, this and this. So after that we'll put another, go to variable, change lives by -1. So the variable will decrease by 1. Now go over here, when flag is clicked, go to controls, get one forever loop. Inside that, if then, operations, go to operations, bring one equals to, go to variable, bring on lives and 4. Alright, now looks, switch costume to costume 3. Okay, now let's make this 3 and let's make this 2. Let's make this 2 and make this 1. Duplicate this, make this 1 and make this T1. Okay, duplicate this, make this 0, and after that we will put 1. Now when lives equal to 0, we'll put one hide block over here, and after that we'll put an event block naming you have lost the game. Oh, sorry. You have the game. Alright, you have lost the game. Now after that we'll make this stop other scripts in sprite. Alright, now go to cat. Oh, sorry, not comment. Now you have lost the game. You will just have to duplicate this and give you have lost the game. Okay, now stop other scripts in sprite. Okay, and when after that, now in the go to costumes, go to paint. Okay, decrease, zoom out. You can use control plus scroll out. After that, go to text, and I'll use pixel, get a black color. You can choose any color and write game over. Okay, and increase its size. If you want, you can turn it or you may not. It's your choice. So let's select this, copy it, paste it. Okay, and now okay, before. So we shouldn't do like this. Just copy it and delete this. Go to paint and just paste it. Oh, okay. And copy and paste again. We don't have that black color. Okay. So and go to codes. Go to cat and just delete this code. It doesn't work for us. So go to sprite 2. So it has sprite 2 and bring it to 0 0, x0 and y0. Y0. Okay. Events. When I receive you have lost the game. Motion. Go to 0. Why? Go to 0. 0. And after that, we'll just put one show over here. Okay, so it works. Let's see if it works. Oh, sorry. Events and put a hide over here. Okay. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, so now lives is getting decreased, and don't forget to hide the lives variable. Okay. And when flag is set high, after that go to control, put stop all. So this thing won't be able to move. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, subscribe, share, and for more videos, subscribe our channel. You can have this heart live in the description. You can download it for free. Thank you. Bye bye.